All right, and we're on to the last problem, and of course it's a word problem, so we're going to pull out the math. Nolan is the quarterback on the football team. He completed 67, so Nolan here. 67% of the first passes in the first game. He completed 6,400 in the second of the passes, and he completed 3/5 in the third game. And he completed 69% in the fourth game. And the question asked lists it from, you want to have a list from Nolan's completing pass numbers from least, so from the least to the greatest. Okay, so that's what we're looking for here. All right, so we need to turn it all into something, and I'm going to turn it all into decimals because we have a decimal here and we have 2%, so they can easily go into it. So let's start with the first one. To turn 67% into a decimal, it would be 0.67. This one's already in a decimal, so 64. This one here, we turn it into it, and we're going to go 3/5. So stop, drop, divide. Decimal point. So 5 goes into 3. It doesn't. 5 goes into 30. 6. So it's exactly. So that decimal would be 0.6. You can pull it out to a 0 if you want. And then 69 again is get rid of the percentage into a decimal, and that's 69. Well, if we look at the tens place here, they're all 6s. So we've lined them up by decimals. And so we want the smallest one. Well, we have a 7409. Well, definitely that would be smallest. So 0.60. Okay. And that's actually 3/5. So we're going to change that to 3/5 because we want the original numbers. Is the least. The next least is 6,400. And that was written as a decimal, so 6,400. The next one is 7, so it's the first one, so we're going to put it back as 67%. You put it back to the original number, and the greatest one is 69%. And box that in. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.